with 1 point perspective, what you really need is you need one vanishing point. And a vanishing point can be a dot that you put almost anywhere. So let's start off and make a vanishing point about this size. Now everything that I make is gonna kind of shrink as it gets closer to my vanishing point. So let's start off by just making a square. Using a ruler will help you get some better lines. And the nice thing about a ruler then is my next step is let's pretend my finger is a ruler here. I'm gonna put on the dot and it's gonna go to the corner. So then I'm gonna make a straight line with my ruler to the corner. There's another corner here, another corner there, and another corner there. Now what I would do to finish my cube is I would use parallel lines. Now parallel lines mean that if they run side by side, they will not run into each other. So between my two diagonal guidelines, I'm gonna make one parallel line. Now back here, I'm gonna do another parallel line, but I'm gonna stay between my guidelines. Then I have a horizontal line here, so I'm gonna put a horizontal line right here, and I have a horizontal line right here. I'm gonna put a horizontal line right here, and I get a cube. Let's try one more. Let's go ahead and put it off to an angle. So let's put it up here, okay? Now, we know again that our corners have to go to the vanishing point. And a lot of times what happens is we get these lines that don't go into the vanishing point, and that's when we get incorrect 1 point perspective, okay? Next up, parallel lines. So here's a parallel right here. There's a parallel right here. There's a parallel going right here and a horizontal parallel as well. And so I ended up with another cube. There are infinite ways to do this. So practice adding different, you could try a rectangular prism on an angle. Get creative with your shapes. Just start off with shapes that have corners so that you can use your 1 point perspective.